That's right, guys. It is a little bit easier to travel through the storm area than in the past couple of days, but removing all of this brush and debris is no small feat. The second week of cleanup began at 7 in the morning for city workers. Their first order of business, green waste.
Just making sure that we get it down to a manageable size, but for the most part, the bigger stuff has been cleared out.
City workers say they don't know how much debris they've removed so far, but they're noticing the difference from day one to now as the area becomes easier to traverse. Others are hard at work too.
Just help the people that need it.
Mercy Chef's volunteers spoke with those cleaning up. They say it's their last day bringing meals to the area.
Well, the workers definitely need it. They were working so hard, but the homeowners, I had one run up the driveway crying because she was so happy to see somebody cared.
Neighbors like Joy and Bobby, who spent the day handing out waters and snacks, are supporting one another too.
It was really cute how that man was helping, and that's what we were trying to do, just keep the spirits up.
They say most neighbors plan to rebuild.
I think a lot of people can't imagine moving from this location.
The city reports it's waiving permit fees for necessary repairs to make the storm-damaged buildings habitable. This week, along with brush removal, waste management workers are busy collecting gutters and fences in that storm area. Now, public works officials expect the cleanup process to be several months long. In Virginia Beach, Erica Craven, News 3.